If your Ford Ranger hesitates or struggles to fire up, we'll troubleshoot the most likely culprits in this guide. Data shows that nearly 70% of delayed start issues in these trucks originate from the fuel delivery system. Let's break down the diagnostic process to pinpoint why your engine is dragging its feet. Start with the basics by testing your battery, verifying fuel pump prime, and checking for any stored fault codes. Common culprits include a leaking fuel pump check valve, a restricted fuel filter, or a failing ignition coil pack. Don't overlook secondary issues like a dirty mass airflow sensor or vacuum leaks that upset your air-to-fuel ratio. You can easily handle filters and sensors, but internal fuel pump work or timing issues are best left to a pro. Costs vary wildly, with simple maintenance items costing under $100 versus significant fuel pump repairs. If the basics look okay, use a pressure gauge or multimeter to verify the electrical health of your fuel pump system. Make sure you have a scanner, a pressure kit, and a good multimeter before you start digging into the wiring. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and keeping fire protection nearby when working with fuel lines. Take it step by step, and you will have your Ranger starting reliably again in no time.